Hey, yo, what up, SelfMade team? What up, SelfMade gang? It's your boy, SelfMade Losa, coming at you with another video. And for today, I'm just going to be vlogging a venue. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go see the venue that I was telling everybody on Instagram, Snapchat. I was telling everybody about the venue for the bonfire that's happening on Saturday. Don't miss it, because it's going to be lit. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's going to be lit. I don't want none of y'all to miss this, okay? Because it's going to be lit. So, we're on our way to go see this bonfire venue, you know what I'm saying? To see how it's gonna look before, and then we're gonna give you the after. Okay, before and after. That's what we're doing today. Before and after. Well, we're gonna do the before first today, you know, and then we're gonna do the after on Saturday. See how it looks. You feel me? Because I know it's gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be lit. So you might not want to miss this. Okay? You might not want to miss this. So we're gonna be on our way, and I'm gonna show you everything once I get there. You know, I'm behind the wheel, you feel me? So I don't want to get distracted. So I'm gonna end this right now, and I'll see y'all guys there. Okay. Hey guys, hey, what's up guys? Know what I mean? I'm back at it. We're back. Know what I mean? We're here. You feel me? We're here, as you can see. So I'm gonna take y'all a tour, cause I got here late. So I'm gonna give y'all a little tour before the owner, like, not the owner, but the host leaves, because I got here late. I was supposed to be here at 6 o'clock. And, you know, check y'all times right now. It's not, it's not 6 o'clock. So, yeah. So I'm about to take y'all on, you know, a tour of the venue and show y'all what y'all gonna be seeing here before Saturday. Okay? Let's get it. Okay, guys. Here we got, you know, the fence where you come in at, you know. This is the fence. You know what I'm saying? Looks pretty good, you know, for a venue, you know, a little venue. It's a little venue, but it's pretty big, you know. So, yeah, we got the little decor going on, you know, here. I don't think it's lit up or anything. I don't know what it does, but yeah. Got trees. Feel me? We got the whatever you call them. I forgot what you call them, but yeah, we got them so you can go to the bathroom if you gotta go. You know, everybody gotta go if you got that drink up, man. You Nick. And we got a little den right here if you want to take a chill pill, you know, under the den if you're a little bit. I guess if you're a little bit cold, but you're still gonna be cold because we're outside. So yeah. Got the little benches out here. Yeah. I mean, not too much, but it's enough for a lot of people. I say about at least like 30 or 40 people or 50 people can be in this venue. Maybe more. Maybe I'm just, you know, off track right now. And this is probably what I'm going to be doing, you know, some slave work and be helping out the cause, I guess, because, you know, I'm a part of the host, you feel me? So I got to help, you know what I mean? But I'm going to still be vlogging to y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just, you know, I'll be helping out, though, you know? Be putting wood in the fire so we keep that flame going, that flame, you know? And yeah, it's kind of fenced up, you know? Yeah, got a lot of trees. I think this is the grill right here. Yeah, this is the grill. Yeah. Yep, the grill. The barbie. Sure. So, yeah. we're gonna be lit. Know what I'm saying? So don't miss out, you know? Because if you miss out, I don't know what to tell you. You want some other stuff right now, you know? Don't miss out. Okay, well, that's all I got, you know what I'm saying? So I'll see y'all guys here. If I don't, well, you'll just see the video, you know? So I'm out right now. I'm out. Peace, guys. All right, guys, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? SelfMade team, you feel me? Back with it. So we got the s'mores over here, you know what I mean? S'mores popping, you feel me? Pop a lot. We got my sister right here, Keishana. You can follow on Instagram, Keishana26, I think. Isn't that right? Yeah. Follow on Instagram, peep the game. You know what I'm saying?
They said no, they couldn't get the shit to stick.
And yeah, we doing this, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? It's cool out here. I like it. It's like a nice, you know, type of set. You feel me? Like a nice type of set. You know?
Where's your sister?
She's over there.
She was in Insta.
Just so y'all know I'm vlogging out here. You know what I mean? Yeah. If you got an Instagram, shout yourself out, you know what I'm saying? Get some, you know, some likes, some followers. Yeah, but yeah, it's cool. It's a cool little shindig, you feel me? Cool little shindig. You know what I'm saying? Kendra. What?
You helping get the hell out.
I'm vlogging. I'm helping us get the, you know, get right. You know what I mean? See them s'mores, y'all be all, you know, man.
I was about to take one, but I didn't want to. Okay.
You know, I gotta snag me one real quick.
Dirty ass anybody.
Oh my God. Delicious. My bad, I can't talk right now. You got too many marshmallows. And we got the creator of this shindig right here. You know what I'm saying? This guy right here. Okay, well, holy way. Shout yourself out, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout them out.
What you want me to say? You follow Instagram? I don't even know you.
Yeah, follow him on Instagram. What's his name?
Mine's Lifestyle, whatever it's called.
Mine is Lifestyle. You heard him. You know what I'm saying? Follow him on Instagram. He probably won't follow back, though. One again. And we got the little puppy. Even though I don't think this is a puppy. But, yeah. So, yeah. It's going good. So, I'm going to show y'all a little bit of more, like, probably like a little bit later. I just want to, you know, get everything set up so I can show y'all how it's really going to look. It looks amazing right now, but I think it's going to be better when it's always set up. I don't know if it's always set up right now because I'm not the creator. That guy's the creator right there of this shindig, you feel me? So, yeah. So, I'll be back. All right, show them what you got, nigga. Ashley, where they can follow you at? Where can they follow you at? Instagram, Snapchat, what you got?
Get me on Snapchat, BBBeauty21.
You heard of BBG 21? You heard of
Follow me at Slick West with 3 Ks. Slick West, W-E-S at the end, _. You already know.
You heard of It's that self-made gang. We ain't doing nothing to hang. Alright, go ahead, bro.
I'm the vlogger, you heard? Hey, man, how you doing, bro? How you
He
doing?
already put his shit. He the host. Go ahead, tell him you vlogging and be like, yo, what you trying to tell them? Like, Snapchat, where can they follow you?
I'm vlogging. What y'all trying to shout out?
Where we can follow y'all at?
Where we can
We
follow
vlogging
y'all?
right now. We vlogging. Where we can follow y'all at? Instagram, Snapchat, what y'all got?
What you got where? What you mean, like with
Like social media.
I'm saying social media. Where can they follow you at?
Another boy iPhone, I got about 1,200, 1,300 followers. I'm nobody.
It's fine.
I'm regular, I'm regular. Okay, I like it. It's not true. I can have it on, but I want
Alright, my vlogging years is over.
Yo, Jasmine, where can they follow you at, girl?
Yo, Jazz, what's my Instagram? Jazz_Nicole.
Oh, alright. Y'all heard that? Jasmine _Nicole, you feel me? Hey. Oh! Hey guys, if y'all liked this video, like and subscribe. I mean, it's going to be more to come. Follow me on Instagram at SelfMade Losa. Follow me on Snapchat at SelfMade Losa. And we out.
My life a movie, the way they be acting. She said that she like on my ad-lib. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had